country's Home Minister Sushil Kumar Shinde lied that the US is working with India to catch underworld don Dawood Ibrahim. That's the politically incendiary charge levelled by R.K. Singh, former Home Secretary who recently joined the BJP. Mr. R.K. Singh has even alleged corruption by Mr. Shinde, saying that he took money for the postings in Delhi Police.
Digvijay has slammed Singh, who has now joined the BJP, saying his comments are opportunistic and condemnable. In an exclusive interview to CNN IBN's Arunima, R.K. Singh had said the Home Minister prevented the Delhi police from interrogating a businessman in the IPL match-fixing case. Singh says intelligence agencies suspect this man had links with Dawood. The former Home Secretary also claiming that there was no assurance from the FBI on Dawood and that Shinde is lying when he said they were working together to bring him back. He also claimed Shinde regularly interfered in Delhi police's work and that the staff at Shinde's residence would send chits with names of people who should be posted as inspectors. Singh even claims that these appointments were made in exchange for money.
Blatant interference in transfers and postings of police officers in charge. और जैसे कि हमने बताया, ये तो कुछ लोग यह भी कहते थे कि वो पैसा लेकर के ये सब चिट्स भेजे जाते हैं। हमको पुलिस कमिश्नर ने बताया तो हमने कहा कि हमको चिट्स दिखाइए, उन्होंने हमको चिट्स दिखाया जी। नहीं, अटॉर्नी जनरल के से जो वार्ता हुई थी उसमें ये इसकी चर्चा तो नहीं थी, ये दाऊद इब्राहिम का। देखिए, दाऊद इब्राहिम को जो गिरफ्तार करके लाने की बात कहते हैं उसमें कोई तथ्य नहीं है, तो मैं समझता हूं कि ये बयान सही नहीं। शाहिद बलवा को किसी मामले में इंट्रोगेट किया जाना था, तो उसके लिए ये गृह मंत्री ने पुलिस कमिश्नर से कहा था कि अभी रुक जाइए, बाद में उसी के बाद फिर इंट्रोगेट करना था, तो फिर उन्होंने कहा कि नहीं अभी रुक जाइए।
If Mr. R.K. Singh or anybody else was really so concerned, why did he not put it on record while he was in service? Why did he not articulate his concerns when he was in service? Why did he not go and meet the cabinet secretary, or for that matter, the honorable Prime Minister, if he had something, if he had reservations on a particular issue? So therefore, after retirement, and that too after joining a political party, to try and shoot from the hip and against somebody under whom you've served, I think, for the lack of a better word, is really low.
उनके गृह सचिव ने टिप्पणी की है कि उन्होंने स्पॉट फिक्सिंग में एक बिजनेसमैन को बचाने की कोशिश की जिसके दाऊद इब्राहिम से संबंधों की बात आई है। यह बहुत ही गंभीर विषय है। भारत का गृह मंत्री देश की सुरक्षा, अपराध और भ्रष्टाचार को लेकर इस तरह के हस्तक्षेप नहीं कर सकता, और ये इसलिए भी बहुत गंभीर है कि उस समय उनके होम सेक्रेटरी ने ये बात कही है। हम मांग करेंगे इस पूरे मामले की जांच होनी चाहिए, सुशील कुमार शिंदे की भूमिका की जांच होनी चाहिए।